In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create amazing carousels using components in Figma. This is part one of our series, and it's designed to get you up and running with creating dynamic carousels that will enhance your design projects. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Figma's website, which is a fantastic tool for collaborative interface design. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but if you already have an account, just click on the Login button to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma home page. From here, you can see all your recent files and projects that you've been involved with. It's a great place to access everything quickly. Next, you'll want to click on the Design tab located on the home page. This is where you'll find all the tools and options available to bring your creative ideas to life. After opening the design page, look for the Action button and click on it. This feature allows you to execute various commands and is an essential part of the design process. Now it's time to search for carousels. In the search bar, type carousels and press enter. This will filter out the specific components you need for creating a carousel, making it easier to find what you require. Once you've located the necessary carousel component, click on it to open it up. You'll now have access to the full range of settings and customizations that Figma offers. The next step is to click on Run to activate the carousel component. Running the component will allow you to see how it looks and interacts within your design before you make any final decisions or customizations. As you experiment with different settings, remember that the key to a successful design is to combine functionality with aesthetics. Make sure your carousel is not only visually appealing, but also easy to navigate for the end user. You can adjust colors, sizes, transitions, and more to match your desired style. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a visually stunning and highly functional carousel in Figma. This basic approach should give you a good foundation to expand upon in later sessions. In our next video, we'll explore more advanced features and techniques to further enhance your designs. Until then, get creative and have fun experimenting with all the amazing features Figma has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next part.